Think dog food is just for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Think again. Today, we're unlocking the amazing versatility of your furry friend's kibble stash, showing you how to maximize its potential beyond just filling their bowl. First up, training rewards. High-value kibble can be an incredibly effective motivator for teaching new commands or reinforcing good behavior when your dog masters a trick. A small, delicious kibble piece is the perfect immediate reward. Next, let's talk enrichment. Boredom can lead to unwanted behaviors, but puzzle feeders are fantastic for mental stimulation. Simply fill them with your dog's regular kibble and watch them work for their meal. This not only keeps them occupied, but also taps into their natural foraging instincts. Slow feeder bowls are another excellent way to make mealtime more engaging and can help prevent digestive issues often associated with gulping food. Your dog gets the same nutrition while having to work a little harder to access it. But the magic doesn't stop there. Kibble can even be a base for DIY treats. Grind up some kibble and mix it with a little peanut butter, oats, or plain yogurt. Roll into balls, bake until firm, and you have a homemade, healthy treat your dog will adore. So, the next time you reach for that bag of dog food, remember its power extends far beyond simple sustenance, from boosting training success to providing engaging enrichment and even forming the foundation of homemade goodies. Your dog's kibble is a remarkably versatile tool. Dog food uses. Dog enrichment.